If there is a space object that attracted the attention of the whole scientific world, this is Oumuamua. This was very interesting because it first appeared in our radar. Over the years, scientists are one of the most interesting and studied universe phenomena, discovering fascinating details of this unusual object. Nevertheless, this technology was enough to detect it only when the Space Telescope James Webb appeared. How did the Space Telescope James Webb capture Oumuamua, despite his distance and exactly where today is today? What did scientists learn from the latest images? In this video, take a closer look at how the James Webb Telescope records the first real image Oumuamua. Originally designated 2017 U1, Oumuamua was the first interstellar object detected by the passage of the solar system. Discovered on October 19, 2017, Robert Vickham used the Pan-STARRS telescope in Haleakala Observatory. Oumuamua immediately caught the interest of the scientific world. Oumuamua. This means messenger from afar, which shows the first meeting of mankind as an external target in our solar system. At first, some thought it was another asteroid in elongated shape and unusual trajectory. Nevertheless, the unique characteristics soon doubted the assumption. Unlike ordinary spherical or irregular asteroids, Oumuamua was in the form of red cigars. His rotation was also rare. Instead of rotating like an ordinary asteroid, he rolled from side to side. Astronomers who arrived in our solar system quickly realized that they were moving too fast to be typical asteroids. While the asteroids and planets rotate slowly in the Sun, Oumuamua indicates that it occurred in the solar limitations along the noticeable double-curve trajectory. This behavior has given scientists a rare opportunity to study the guests. The excitement surrounding the detection of Oumuamua quickly gave a family. Some people feared to meet the land, but others suggested that they could be an alien spacecraft. But additional observations showed the essence. Despite the initial theory, Oumuamua was not an asteroid, a comet, or an alien spacecraft. Instead, it was a unique interstellar object, probably throwing it in another solar system in a distant galaxy. Acceleration near the Sun was caused by the leak of hydrogen gas, exposing the theory of alien spacecraft. Oumuamua's behavior doesn't seem to be a famous object of the solar system, but its origin and attributes continue to capture scientists. The recent image of the telescope James Webb provided valuable information about this mysterious space visitors. Getting a real image is an important milestone in understanding the nature of the interstellar object that unlocks the secret and crosses the space environment. James Webb Space Telescope has played an important role in interstellar space studies since launch. One of the most amazing features of the telescope is the ability to collect and analyze infrared rays. Infrared rays are important for astronomy. This is because the astronomical research is more profitable for astronomers. The infrared wavelength makes it easy to detect the first stars and galaxies formed after a big explosion. James Webb Space Telescope has a high-end tool for observing objects that are too old or too far away. High-sensitivity and high-resolution James Webb Space Telescope provides the ability to see clearly even the weakest space object and galaxy. This amazing sensitivity and power provides scientists with a unique opportunity to comfortably investigate the secrets of interstellars. The interstellar space, outside the solar system, contains the most interesting objects discovered over the years, from black holes to huge galaxies. However, detailed research on the composition of interstellar space was almost impossible from the Earth to the Space Telescope James Webb. The space probe like Voyager 1 was the only information source for the mystery of the interstellar space. Now, thanks to the Space Telescope James Webb, you can study unlike the Earth. Advanced infrared cameras James Webb Telescope adds accuracy to the image of interstellar objects. Thanks to his sharp eyes, the telescope can capture complex details and brighten the image of a magnificent interstellar object when entering the vision field. Another interesting aspect of the James Webb Telescope is the ability to combine hundreds or thousands of images, including all the details needed for analysis with one super editing. The launch of the Space Telescope James Webb has resulted in space discovery. The ability to capture the weakest and ambiguous aspects of the universe and the huge tool inspired scientists' innovative research. In addition, the amount of space research has been expanded, allowing scientists to observe the universe in the size and length of the previous waves. The James Webb Telescope has been found to be the largest scientific breakthrough in the field of space research today. But the costs of other important tools, such as Pan-STARRS telescopes, cannot be underestimated. The Pan-STARRS telescope was the first telescope to discover Oumuamua, and James Webb Telescope was perfect for this purpose and was used for follow-up research. Located in Haleakala on Maui Island on the beautiful Hawaii Island, the Pan-STARRS telescope is a central element of ambitious Pan-STARRS projects. This project, including respected institutions, aims to control the sky for abnormal astronomical phenomena, especially those who can collide. Pan-STARRS 1 telescope can check the night sky comprehensively, capture the objects of the sky from the optical length of the waves, and continue to scan the universe, from the distant galaxy to the obscure comet and asteroid, but also carefully study the miracle that fills the widespread separation of the universe and puts a potential threat to the Earth. The Pan-STARRS telescope uses the selected PS1 visualization conveyor to control the enormous amount of data collected during these polls. This extended software allows you to automatically process and analyze huge amounts of observation data. The astronomer then can unlock the secrets hidden in thousands of sky images taken by Pan-STARRS using the extended algorithms and computing methods. One of the biggest advantages of Pan-STARRS telescopes is that it is a strong role in inspecting Pan-STARRS objects. This survey is part of the Pan-STARRS project, focusing on scanning the entire sky to find the land that can be a danger of land effects. Oumuamua was found in these everyday scans. The Pan-STARRS telescope was specifically discovered by chance in general work without finding Oumuamua. The researchers first thought Oumuamua was an asteroid track, because most of the space objects included in our solar system are asteroids. But when they began to collect and analyze data, they found that this mysterious interceptor was not an ordinary asteroid. He challenged well-known asteroid patterns in the universe, such as a rapid change in trajectory. Scientists said, Oumuamua is moving abnormally at a fast speed. This meant that the study of Oumuamua was urgently studied before it disappeared forever. After 11 days of collecting as much data as possible before leaving the solar system, Pan-STARRS researchers headed to NASA. NASA developed a large telescope to accurately measure the size, color, and brightness of Oumuamua. The details of the surface and structure and the structure of the structure and the structure were the most important. But despite the extensive efforts to collect and analyze data, the more scientists study, the more questions are. The unique characteristics and mysterious behavior of Oumuamua continues to make researchers a puzzle. This does not correspond to the typical characteristics of asteroids, comets, or planets. At first, the city was considered in the form of a city, and the shape was later found as a pancake and added to the contradiction surrounding this mysterious object. Despite the confusing and unanswered questions, the collected data provided valuable information on interstellar and storage secrets. Since then, Oumuamua has left our universe, but the knowledge gained during a simple visit continues to inspire scientific curiosity and research. The unusual form of Oumuamua has turned out to be related to recognition. It is similar to the market price from the side, but the shape of the pancake is clear from the above. It was a great red Oumuamua that was added to the confusion. In general, the red of the space object is located in the outer region of the solar system, and the surrounding dust is covered with red. Nevertheless, Oumuamua was not in this area and there was no trace of dust. Scientists decided that objects are completely composed of stones and metals without the general components found in heavenly body, such as ice. In addition, the huge size of Oumuamua and the amazing speed of 85,000 miles per hour have been more mysterious. The light of the sun pulled Oumuamua to me, but scientists noted the second invisible power, which actively pushed or instructed the interstellar target. Despite a variety of theories, such as hydrogen gas push to name, there are some loopholes. Thanks to the thorough analysis of speed and trajectory, scientists went around the origin of Oumuamua to near star Vega, which is famous for the brightness and location of the northern constellation Lyra. Nevertheless, Oumuamua's long weekly trip suggests that Vega is about 300,000 years ago, before he headed for our solar system. This means Oumuamua is not a descendant of Vega, but a long passing of her. The true origin of Oumuamua continues to explore, and theory suggests that this can be a piece of larger objects or a rod force similar to the sea of the Earth. Unfortunately, Oumuamua left the solar system before astronomers performed further analysis. Nevertheless, the recent image of the object taken by the telescope James Webb shines some light on the puzzle and checked how Oumuamua actually looks. The telescope James Webb has taken a detailed image that represents the form of pancakes and confirmed the previous hypothesis. Scientists also found that red color remains, but the surface is uneven and has a lot of cracks and cracks. The mysterious power of pushing Oumuamua into space is probably related to its unique shape and surface characteristics. Nevertheless, it is also worth noting that interstellar radiation and other environmental factors can affect unusual journals. The secret surrounding Oumuamua did not block scientists. Rather, we inspired to develop innovative technologies and methods to detect and study future interstellar targets. In the visualization, the role of the Space Telescope James Webb Oumuamua is a constant evidence of the development of space research and finding answers to the most difficult problems in astronomy. As we deepen our understanding of Oumuamua and other interdisciplinary objects, we can rely on revealing more interesting puzzles of the universe and beyond its vast. In conclusion, the solar system of our solar system reminded us that the universe is much more complicated and mysterious than we represent. Unusual forms, speeds, and origins continue to challenge existing scientific theory and still have places for further research and research. Thanks to James Webb, the Space Telescope, humanity now has a tool to explore the mystery of the universe with its excellent accuracy and clarity, and has opened a new era of discovery and understanding. We continue to explore the miracle of the space and follow the update because we reveal the secrets hidden between the stars.